Hi everybody, welcome back to Taylor's Table. I'm so excited to share today's recipe with you because we're changing things up just a little bit. Let me get everything we need. Today, I am showing you the ultimate chocolate chip cookie recipe. So full disclosure, I'm not a big sweet person, but I have been on the hunt for a good chocolate chip recipe for a very long time. Both my dad and I have, and we have never found it until now. I found it. It's Jessie James Decker chocolate chip cookie recipe from her Just Jessie book. I am so excited to share this. There's one secret ingredient in there that I think makes the world of a difference. So I'll get you started. We'll start with our dry ingredients, but first, set your oven to 375. Start with our flour. We'll need 2.5 cups of flour. I don't remember where I read this, but you're actually not supposed to stick your measuring cup in the flour. You should spoon it out and then spoon it into your measuring cup. Next, we just need 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then just with a spatula, mix it all together. For your wet ingredients, here's what you need. 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 cup of softened butter or 2 sticks of butter, 1/2 cup of just regular cane sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and then the secret ingredient. This is what I think makes a big difference. It's 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. Don't just use regular salt, try this. And then depending how chocolatey you like your chocolate chip cookies, 1 to 2 cups of chocolate chips. So we're gonna move over to my mixer to put all of this together. So I'm using my KitchenAid mixer, and all we have to do is put in the brown sugar, the softened butter, 1/2 cup of cane sugar, vanilla extract, and the sea salt. After you combine all of that together and it's like a creamy texture, you want to add in your eggs, just 1 at a time. Now that all of that is combined, we're gonna slowly put in our dry ingredients. So I like to do it in thirds or halves. And I switched the blade on my KitchenAid. Next, we gotta put in our chocolate chips. We'll stir it together and then we'll create our cookies. Next, you wanna grease your baking sheet, and then you just start scooping out the dough and creating your cookies. Okay, these are going in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes or just until they're golden brown. I think the cookies are just about ready. It smells so good in this kitchen. And just like that, our chocolate chip cookies are done. Mine maybe don't look the prettiest, but they taste incredible. Big shout out to Jessie James Decker. Thank you for sharing this recipe with us. Now go make yourself some homemade chocolate chip cookies.